Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to dark and light mode Duckduckgo application in computer. So how to dark and light mode Duckduckgo application in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Duckduckgo application on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the Duckduckgo application. To activate dark mode in the Duckduckgo application, just point the cursor to the upper corner of the screen. Here, tap three dots, and a scrolling menu will appear. And select the Settings menu. Here we are already in the Settings menu and there are several menu options that can be used. Tap the Appearance menu. Now in this Appearance menu, in the Theme section, select Dark to activate the Dark menu. Here for the display has changed to the Dark menu. And to return to Light mode again, please enter the Settings menu as before. Then here, tap the Appearance menu. Now in this Appearance menu, in the Theme section, select Light to activate the Light menu. Now here it's back to light mode again. So that's it, the tutorial how to dark and light mode Duckduckgo application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.